Today we talk about how can you find your list on your app, on your Costco app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to lists, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all lists you have. You will find here online lists, and here warehouse lists. So in here can you find it? That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.